Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2020 Ford Escape. These flaps are made of a heavy-duty premium rubber, offering a durable and sleek fit for your vehicle. And the best part? They're made right here in Canada. Let's get started. To start, remove the 3 factory push pins on the inside of the fender liner and the single push pin on the bottom of the fender as shown. Next, remove the 2 factory screws located on the bottom of the liner. Then remove the interior push pin and pull the factory liner away from the fender flare. With the fender liner now out of the way, we will install the supplied U-clips over the 3 factory tabs of the fender. Install the first 2 U-clips onto the metal beneath the fender flare as shown. Then install the final clip directly onto the plastic liner. Once the clips are installed, put the fender liner back into place and secure it by reinstalling the 2 factory screws and interior push pin. Also reinstall the push pin removed from the underside of the fender at the start of the video. With everything now prepared, we will begin installing the mud flap. Take a supplied double-holed washer and screw and loosely install the mud flap onto the fender as shown. Please ensure you use the outermost hole of the washer to apply proper pressure to the body of the flap. Once in place, loosely secure the flap to the 2 remaining slots of the fender using the supplied washers and screws. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Next, use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill into the pre-made hole of your flap and through the fender liner as shown. Then fasten your flap to this hole by placing the supplied bolt and black washer through the front of the flap and secure in place using a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.